Great day to be alive. Great day to be alive. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna utilize this time to be effective. I had an appointment that no showed. So, what I want to do is, at the very least, provide some value to other business owners that could benefit from utilizing AI and automation in their day to day operation. Again, my name is Bison. I'm gonna screen share some strategy that you could use today. uh, I can also give you guys access to the software, share some of the tools and strategies that I use. If this is of interest to you, just send me a direct message, and either I'll send you some informational videos so you could do it yourself, or we could hop on a Zoom. And at that point, I'll either walk you through how to do it, or I'll just do it for you. Nonetheless, my goal is to help local business owners cut costs, save money, and get their brand out there. And it's not as difficult as it may seem. All of this new tech, it could seem confusing, but when you know somebody that could actually do it and is someone local to you, it becomes a no-brainer. I do have to improve from a communication and sales perspective, but in this video, I'm just going to provide value. I'm just going to show you guys some strategies that you guys could use, and hopefully one of you decides to run with it. So first one is workflow automation to start boosting your reviews. All right, I just definitely killed 2 minutes there. So boosting your reviews on Google is one of the most important things, right? And how I do that is I create a workflow, and this is going to be different based on where you are from a contacts previous contacts perspective, right? So like if you have a list of previous contacts you've already done business with, this is probably going to be a lot more effective for you immediately. If you don't, what I'll have to do is put something in place to start helping you to gather this information so we can start requesting these review requests. But regardless, if you plan on being in business for more than 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 years, if you want to be in business for the rest of your life, this foundation is going to be imperative regardless. Gathering contact information. So what we're going to do is, assuming you already have a list of leads, what we're going to do is add a tag to these contacts, and we're going to wait an hour after they have gotten service from you, and we're going to send them a review request, simply asking if they'd be open to leave us a positive review, and also an email. Cool thing is, if they do not hit on the link, if they don't hit a link, what happens is we will go ahead and send them another message in one day, and after that, it's just going to be a simple reminder, and then a little image saying, hey, just bumping this to the top of your phone. It'd be awesome if you'd leave us a positive review, and it removes them off the workflow. There's some really cool things that are happening on the back end as well, meaning there's other workflows that were created. I know I'm running low on time, but I'll finish up with this. I got a minute 36. So this is my last thing I'll say. So if they decided on hitting one of the links on the email or the messages that was sent, it will remove them from the workflow. All right, so it's going to automatically remove them from the workflow, so you don't have to worry about sending them any SMS or emails ever again. That's number one. The other one, I'm going to restrain from communicating it, but it's very good for you business owners. Uh, if this is something that piques interest to you, just go ahead and send me a direct message, and we could schedule a time on Zoom. There's other things that I could show you, but again, I'm limited on time. One of them being being able to post on multiple platforms at once. As I wind down and this video ends, I will just save it for the next meeting. Stay strong, keep connected, guys. This is what I love. This is what I do. I love helping local business owners be more efficient using technology, using AI, using all these amazing tools that we have access to that most people just don't know how to use. Have a good day.